They're starting at 21 feet. They'll have 5 shots, 15 seconds. Pocket bug, 9 feet, 5 shots, 15 seconds. It's load, make ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. Push them to 45 feet. You have 5 shots, 15 seconds. Pocket bug, 15 feet, 5 shots, 15 seconds. It's kind of hard. It's hard to get depth perception out here. No, you're good. I know, it's hard to get depth perception.
My forward or back?
All right, you're good. Right where you are.
Okay, good job.
All right, let's go ahead and load. Make ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. Pocket bug, bring me your targets. Stop them to rimfire, bring them to 15 feet. 15 feet, 10 shots, 15 seconds. Yeah. All right, stop and move to rimfire. Go ahead and load. Make ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. All right, bring them back. I'll take it from you. Pocket bug, you're going to be at 21 feet. You will have 5 shots in 15 seconds. Stop unlimited rimfires, 21 feet. You have 10 shots in 15 seconds. All right, let's all go ahead and load. Make ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. All right, stop the limit of rimfire. Push them to 45 feet. You have 10 shots, 15 seconds. Pocket bug, 30 feet. 5 shots, 15 seconds. It's so hard to get your depth perception out here. You gotta like walk on the side all day. It's just the depth perception is all it is. Go ahead and load and make ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. have 10 shots in 30 seconds. Pocket bug, 45 feet. You have 5 shots, 15 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and load. Make ready.